Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic and Beyond. Today we continue to explore advanced waltz figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at overturned running spin turn and checked natural turn. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. And we start with running spin turn basic version. After that we will develop it with extra turn. So man starts with right foot, forward, side, close, now one natural pivot and open natural turn. Altogether this is running spin turn. Now we will overturn ending, and actually man dances lady steps of spin turn. So man dance forward, side, close, pivot, then forward, diagonally to side, brush, forward and pivot. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us basic running spin turn. Preparation 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now from opposite angle. Preparation step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Now we will dance overturned version. So preparation step, then man dances forward, side, close, pivot, pivot, then brush and step and pivot. Very good. From opposite angle. And with teaching count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's look at next figure. We will dance check natural turn. So man starts with right foot forward, then to side, check turn and reverse pivot. From opposite angle. So we start like normal natural turn. Lady starts with left foot back, to side, checks turn and reverse pivot. Very good. Now we will do hesitation and we start with second step. So man starts with left foot to side, lady will start with right foot to side, and we will dance hesitation. We are checking rotation and dance reverse pivot. Very good. From opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3. And now let's put together our overturned running spin turn with checked natural turn. So we dance 3 steps of natural turn, overturned running spin turn, into checked natural turn. Very good. And from opposite angle with teaching count. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at following figures. We will dance Contra check, and then natural pivot, and then we dance Rudolph Ronde and Syncopated side cross. Very good. From opposite angle. And now let's pay attention to lady's head weight. Lady dance contra check head weight to left, then in ronde to right, and in syncopated side cross to left. Very good. Let's do it again with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. And now let's put all together, all routine together from beginning. So we will start with the preparation step. We start with overturned running spin turn into checked natural turn, contra check with natural pivot and Rudolph Ronde, and we finish with syncopated side cross. And now whole routine with the count. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.